Hello everyone, welcome. Presenting Divi Essential plugin by Divi Next. Everything you need for web designing and web development. This is a series of videos explaining to you each and every module's features and all the tips and tricks you need to use them. In this video, we will be talking about Next Business Hour module. As you can see on the screen, I have already put in the items, which are the days of work and the time. Now, this is helpful for your clients to know when you are available. Link, background, and admin label, they come with almost every Divi module and extensions out there. So I will move on to the Design tab. Now over here, you get to customize your entire design elements, text design, and there is the separator where you can add in the styles, which is pretty cool. You can make them look bigger, smaller, depending on the design you are trying to achieve. You can also change their color, like so. Now, these are the dividers. You can also alter the width of the dividers. Sizing helps you resize your design element. If you want it smaller and in a corner of your screen, then sure. If you want it in the center, you can go ahead and align them. Or if you want it to the right, go ahead. Or you can keep it to the left, which is the default. Now let's say we don't really want the module alignment. Now with spacing, you can manually put in your design wherever you like on the screen. You can also adjust the left and right spacing, then margin, top and bottom margin, you can go for that. This is the top, and I've attached them together, so you can also do them. You can also go for it separately. Okay. I'm going to go back to the default, and padding. Padding helps you with spacing entirely helps you organize your design element, which is great. It looks pretty neat. Border, box shadow, filters, transform, and animation. These are all default. They come in with every Divi modules and extensions out there. If you want to add in some border around your entire design element, you can do so. Now, let's say you don't want the border and you want to go back to the default setting. You can go ahead and select this icon that will help you go back to your original setting, which is the undo icon here. We added some sizing. We'll go back to what it looked like before. these can stay. And now moving on, let me go back to Content tab and show you that you can separately pick each of your day and design it as you wish. You can have different fonts for your each day over here. Now I've changed the font for Monday, and let's say I want to make it a little bigger. You can do so manually under each of for each of the day in your design element. It's pretty much the same for like I have shown you, that was there for the entire design element. You can do the same with the items over here. Alright, now that I've covered that up as well, I will now move on to Advanced tab here. This is for the programmers and developers out there. For those of you who want to put in your code, go ahead. CSS ID and classes are here to help you. Custom CSS, visibility, transitions, position, scroll effects. Lots to explore here. This is it for Next Business Hour module. Like and subscribe to our channel Divi Next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get updates on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is me signing out. Bye.